Hi, today I'm going to take the length of tuple TypeScript type challenge. So the idea of this challenge is to create a generic type called length, which takes a tuple and returns the length of that tuple. Okay, so immediately we can see we've got 4 test cases failing that we need to fix. So if you've done the previous challenge, first of tuple, this one should seem quite simple, because in that one we discussed that you could index different types in the tuple with the 0th, 1th, 2nd, etc. You can do the same thing with the length property, because we know that every tuple has a length property. We can grab the type of that. But that doesn't work, and that doesn't work because type length cannot be used to index type t, and that's because t could be of any type. So we need to add a constraint to t. So we could say t extends, and then the thing that sprung to mind immediately to me was something that has a length. So that makes most of the test cases pass, but there's still one error here. And this error is because strings do have lengths, but we're expecting this to fail. So I think rather than saying t extends length, we could say t extends something that's an array, so an array of any type. And now this one error goes away for this one, but the error comes back for the top two. And this is saying that the type read-only and then the array does not satisfy the constraint any. And the problem here is that we need to constrain this any type to be a read-only. And this kind of makes sense because if we wanted to write a generic type that worked on mutable arrays, TypeScript would never know what the actual number to give back would be. It would always just have to give back number because by nature they're mutable, they could change at runtime.